What's good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video. If you're new here, welcome. This channel is all about creative businesses, making money with Cricut and all types of different things. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you for being here. So today's video, I wanted to show you how you can make money with like a heat press, and really specifically focusing on like collegiate style clothing because it's really popular right now, and I think it's something that you can make a nice coin off of, and you don't have to make a huge investment to get started. So I'm going to be showing you today how I make this gorgeous sweater, aka University. That's me, you know. These are super popular right now. As you can see, all types of people, celebrities have been wearing them. Varsity jackets varsity jackets and collegiate sweatshirts are everywhere. So I want to show you guys how you can get in on the trend, make your own with a little investment in like a heat press, and that's pretty much it. Now the sweatshirt, you will need a Cricut to make, but this was just an addition to the varsity jacket, which is the main girl of this video. So without further ado, let's just get into it, and I hope you enjoyed this. So varsity jackets have been super popular over this fall season, so I want to show you guys how you can get in on the trend. I want to show you really quickly and like talk about how you can get patches. So patches are super inexpensive to purchase. You can get them off of AliExpress. If you want to actually do this business and resell them, AliExpress is the way to go because they have them for cents on the dollar. I'll show you some around on the screen. If you're in more of a press for time, then Amazon is the way to go, but you can't really choose the ones that you get. Amazon usually has like a variety pack that you can purchase, and I'll put some of my favorite ones down below. For my jacket per se, I went with Etsy because I didn't want to wait the shipping times for AliExpress, but I didn't like the options that were available for Amazon. For this jacket, obviously I made it for this video, but I'm going to be wearing it. So that's one thing. I also will link down below a place where you can get wholesale varsity jackets for a very good price if you're wanting to resell them. And let's just get into the tutorial and show you how to do this. It's super easy, and I think you guys can make a good amount of money with doing this varsity jacket kind of business. So these are the patches that I bought that I'm going to be putting on the jacket. You can get these, I got them on Etsy because I wanted specific ones. You can get really affordable ones off AliExpress, or if you're in a rush, you can get them on Amazon. But these are just the idea of all the ones that I got, that I bought these personally for my own jacket. But again, if you want to offer customs or just want to make jackets to have for your clients, these are easy and fun to have. So I have my Cricut heat press here, which I'm going to be setting to 350, and I'm going to change the timer on it too, just because I don't think 30 seconds is going to be enough. So I probably set it to like a minute, but you guys can see that here. I have my jacket here. It has to be on the floor just because my desk area is not big enough for me to press it on there. Also have this wax paper that I get from the Dollar Tree, and I'll show you on the screen the configuration I already figured out. And so now I'm gonna go ahead and go press it and show you how easy this is. Guys, I really want to show you how simple this is. I'm literally going to just be placing the letters in the area that I want them, which I think is perfect right here, right in like the breast area. And I have a photo here that I already configured everything, so I know where I want the placement of everything. I'll put it on the screen. So I'm going to go ahead and put this pink money bag right here, and then that's going to be it for this section. I'm going to press that and then kind of show you guys the rest. Now the directions, I'm just going to lay my wax paper over it. Now the directions said to leave it on there, do not move it. So what I'm going to do is first remove these because I know where I want them. I'm going to take my heat press and press, ooh, my fingers was too close. I'm gonna press the jacket just so it can get nice and warm. Just for a few seconds. Now I'm gonna go ahead and place them onto the jacket. And as you can see, they're already starting to stick once you warm up the jacket, but it gives you some opportunity to still move them around and make sure they're placed how you want them. And then I'm going to put my little money bag right here as well. Going to place my parchment paper on top, and then I'm going to set my timer on my heat press to 60 seconds and go ahead and press it. Give it some weight because I'm on my knees here, so I'm gonna add some weight to it and oops, turn it off. Start my timer. I almost forgot. And that's it, guys. You're gonna continue to do this over and over again on the patches because these are heat transfer patches. And I'll show you how easy this process is. And this is how it turned out. I love it, and I will be wearing this very soon. Okay, guys, so I think it came out amazing. Like, it came out way better than I thought, and I'm just super pleased with it. I'm super happy of how it turned out, and I think that ultimately you can make some good money, especially if you offer customizations, because like a person like me, yeah, I can maybe find an A jacket. Like I seen one on Shein, but it was bad. Like it just wasn't my style. So just imagine if people can pick their own colors, the letters they want on them, give them an outline. Maybe they want a theme jacket of like you see I had a lot of money things going on mine, so maybe they want a money theme. Tons of things that you can do. So I think this would be something great, and I don't see anyone doing it right now. So I think it'd be a great way for you to get in where you fit in and make some money, or make them as great gifts for the holidays or whatever, especially like for teenagers who are more stylish or whatever. I think that they're great. So on to my collegiate sweatshirt. As you can see that I have on here AK University, you know, we at the school of YouTube. I think this was super fun to make, and I think these are a great way to make some cash as well. Now my design, I'm not gonna hold you guys, I used the vinyl that I had. So there's definitely, I would have picked different things if I had to go out and purchase it, but this is what I had. I used some iron-on foil and then some glitter iron-on. But enough of me talking, let's get into the tutorial and I can show you how you can make this as well. So I made my design in Canva. If you guys want to know how to make your own designs, let me know and I will make a tutorial on this. But this is my AK University design that I made. As you can see, I'm just sizing the A because I'm going to cut that on a separate mat. So I was just making sure I had the right size. I went ahead and copied it and then deleted it from the design for the AK University part that's going to be in pink foil. And then I just went ahead and sent it right over to my Maker 3 and cut out the foil. So to cut out the design, I'm going to be using this iron-on foil, as you can see, in like this pink color, because I thought it was really cute. I got a fresh new mat here. Thanks for Cricut, so thank you to them for sending that to me. I'm gonna go ahead and get this loaded up. I wish this was a smart material because I'm so spoiled with using the smart materials now, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this loaded and begin the process to cutting this out. I'm gonna show you this quick clip because I actually put the foil on the wrong side. I want to show you guys, even if you have as much experience with Cricut like me, players still mess up. So I cut the foil on the wrong side, so I had to go ahead and re-put it in the machine, the shiny side down. And this was the correct way to cut the foil material, the iron-on foil. Never used this before, so it was a learning experience. And here I am just weeding design. This part is so satisfying, so I thought I'd share. So I also cut out 2 glitter A's because I couldn't decide what color I would want to use with the pink. Let me know down below, guys, what color you guys would pick. I don't know, it's hard to choose, But I'm going to go ahead and get these pressed and I'll show you the final sweatshirt. So I'm going to go ahead and preheat this. I'm going to place, I ended up going with the silver A. So I'm going to preheat this and then I'm going to press this at 350 for 30 seconds. And I just want to make sure she looks even and in the middle. I got this oversized so it can be nice and big. Okay, looks about good. I'm gonna put this one on top as well, just to make sure it looks like it's in the right spot. It looks pretty good, so I'm gonna go ahead and press this, and then I'm going to press the university part. So this part I was supposed to be pressing at 290 for 30 seconds, but it's taking too long. So I'm gonna do it at 302 for 30 seconds, or 300 for about 30 seconds, and I'll have to move it around so that all the pieces get heated. Then I just did a hot peel, meaning I didn't wait for it to cool down and remove the backing, and it came out perfect. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. Super easy, super simple, a great way to make money, especially if you want to offer customizations. Now, I don't think you can make them for actual universities and sell them just based on like copyright laws and stuff, but people do it all the time anyway, so that's up to you. But if you gotta go to court, don't tell them that I told you you could do it, okay? Because it's recorded here that I said you can't. And I'm not a lawyer, so I don't know, whatever. But again, great t-shirt. I love the feel of the foil on the sweatshirt. Great way to make some money, especially if you don't want to do like the whole t-shirt thing and you want to kind of make money during the winter years, or you want to just make them for gifts. Great idea. Hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this different type of videos, just to give inspiration for different type of things that you can make, well, not just with Cricut, but just if you want to purchase a heat press for $120, $150, you could literally start a varsity jacket business. Or, you know, obviously this, you need a Cricut for it, but just think about something like this with just varsity letters. That would be super cool. I've seen some people do a few things like that, but mostly they're coming from like larger businesses like Boohoo, that type of place, Forever 21, that type of place. So get in where you fit in. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down below if you like this video, if you want to see something similar to this, and I will see you guys in the next one.